Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 Pro, and I'll be showing you how you can back up your device either to the cloud or to your computer. So there are two different ways about this. Number one, you can use your Mac or Windows. I'll be using Windows, as you can clearly see right here. Both of them will work just fine. The only difference is with Mac, which I don't have on hand, you don't need to download anything. Now on Windows, unfortunately, we need to download a program. So let's open up our Microsoft Store, and in here you can just search for iTunes or Apple devices, as the program is called now. Now iTunes itself is no longer usable for the newer devices, so you can still get it, but it doesn't work with the newer ones. So they basically substituted it with Apple Music and Apple devices, which now you have two programs to do the same function that previously one program could do. And they got substituted because this one was outdated, so instead of updating it, they just changed the appearance of it and separated it into two. Great decision, Apple. Wow, truly groundbreaking decisions right here. So anyway, for the purpose of just backing up your device and restoration, all you need is actually the Apple, where is it? Apple devices. Am I blind? Should be somewhere here. Oh, there we go. So it's right here. So you just need the Apple devices, and from here you can open it up. We're gonna connect our device. First time around, you will get that trust pop-up, so just select on your iPhone that you trusted this computer, and that's about it. Next, you have the option to back it up right here. So this is on a general tab. If it's not selected, just click on the general, and from here we have backup. Backup your most important data on your iPhone to iCloud or to your computer. Now when you select to the computer, which is the second option, this will take storage on your PC. So depending on how much of it you have free, that might vary if you want to use one or the other. As an example, here I have about 93 gigs of storage, so that's sufficient enough to back it up to the computer. Personally, I would recommend backing it up to your computer. This gives you full control over your own data, and obviously there is at least in Europe, there is a law that companies can't keep your personal data for more than 2 years, I believe it is. So after 2 years, if this data isn't used or like modified or anything like that, it needs to be removed. So if you back up your device and you don't do anything for like 2 years, this backup will be removed. In theory, I have never actually checked it out myself, so just be wary of that. But if you upload it obviously to your computer, it's your personal computer, that won't be deleted. It's stored physically on your PC, and the only person that can delete it is you. And it's an actual file that will be somewhere in your computer where Apple devices as a program is installed. So with that out of the way, pick whichever option you want. I'm gonna select the computer one. We have also encrypt local backup, so you can set up a password for it, as you can see if you check the thing right here. I'm not gonna go with it, tend to forget what the password would be when I set it up, so I just prefer not to. And it is being stored locally on my computer, so again, it doesn't really matter to me. And once this is checked, we can select backup now right here. It also gives you option info when the last backup was made. You can manage backups, which right now we have one, though I believe this might be done to the no, actually this is done here not too long ago. So yeah, okay, this is done by me. When I plugged it in, it automatically started backing up, and I tried to cancel it, but Apple decided, no, screw you, we're gonna back up even without your permission. So anyway, we're gonna select backup now. As you've seen, the other one was at 12:15. Now it's 12:40, which you can't see, but it is. So this will change to about 12:40, maybe 12:41 once it's finished backing up. And should be relatively quick, as there is no actual data right here, or at least not much of it. So it should be very quick. All I have is like 3 songs right here. And you can see it's finished. And now the time says that it's I just realized, sorry for that. We also have the sync option right here. So I'm gonna collapse this just a little bit because the phone itself was kind of getting in the way. But anyway, so you can see now the time is 12:40. That was the last backup, and I can manage them. And you can see it replaced the old one. I think normally it won't be replacing the old one. It will create a new one, but because I think these backups were exactly the same, there was no change between them. It just overrid the other one to preserve storage on your computer. So something to note, that if you have no additional backups showing up other than just one, it's because nothing has changed. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.